Guys, a big day today. We're here at the Bud's Cattery, and Christy's and I are picking out our new kitty. If you follow the channel, you know that we travel with our cat, and today's a big day, huh, honey?
It's a real big day. It's a very big day.
And who is this?
This is
Kenzo from Bud's Cattery. He was our first Maine Coon that we ever had. He's from Russia, and he is a very big orange boy.
And he's the dad of the second litter that you're having this summer, right?
He is the dad of the current litter that we
Oh,
have.
the current little.
Yes.
Okay,
Yep.
so the one that we picked out, this is his dad.
This is his dad.
So you guys are going to see a lot of the new addition to the family. He's black and white. Did we settle on him yet, or?
I think we're going with Ian.
Ian, okay.
Yeah.
So I'll show you guys him in a second. But these are very special Maine Coons that were imported from the Ukraine. They're a little larger, bigger boned, bigger cats than the ones here in the U.S. and they're absolutely beautiful. How long have you been breeding? And
We've been doing this for about 3 years. Right after we got Kenzo, we decided to get another one, and we bred him for the first time, and we just decided that it wasn't a one-time thing. We just had to keep on doing it. So we fell in love with the little babies, and now we're here 3 years later, still doing it.
speaking of babies, can we show them the new litter?
Yes, we can.
Okay. They've got some really cool features for their cattery here. They have an indoor-outdoor, what do you call it?
Catio.
Catio. They call it a catio. It's all fenced in, so the kitties get to go outside, and they've got, every room has got all kinds of kitty toys.
Oh.
So this is the latest litter right here. And tell us who we're looking at here.
This is the mom. This is Luna. Luna is from Poland, and these are her 8 little munchkins that she has. Litter I. Right now they're all feeding and sleeping.
Which one is Ian? Is that him right there? I think his little head poking out.
Let me go ahead and
Yeah,
show you.
he's on there. The little brown.
There he is. That's the one we want to get. Look at him.
There's Ian.
Say hello to Ian, guys. Look at him.
Ian.
Oh, what a cutie. So it's kind of a big deal. We sadly,
We lost.
yeah.
And that was really, really hard on us. And we lost her in December. And, well, say hello.
To our new addition to the family. So we had 2 cats. Sadly, one died about 3 years ago.
Saddle thrombosis.
So we're going to get 2
Chloe.
kitties. One kitty from this litter and one kitty from the next litter, which...
Is due in a few weeks.
Yeah, middle of August.
So the funny part of the story is, I think your dad is the one who was initially the cat lover in the family, right? And mom wasn't.
Like cat people, we didn't want to get any cats, and then my dad just kept insisting on getting a cat, and please, please, please. And then we finally got a cat, and we all fell in love.
You were converted.
Yes. Now we're cat people.
That's awesome.
She is stunning, isn't
Funny because
she?
your mom was telling the story how your dad for 6 months was trying to convince her to get a Maine Coon, and finally, once you got one, you guys fell in love, and the rest is history.
Yes.
She's a beauty.
He's so photogenic.
I know.
What
Beautiful.
So if somebody wants to get one of these kitties from you, how do they get a hold of you, and what's the best way to pick out a kitty?
The best way would probably go onto our website, which is just maincoonbudscattery.com. And there's a bunch of different FAQs and lots of information, and then they can just send us an email, which is also maincoonbudscattery@gmail.com.
And I think you have Instagram and
Yes, we
Twitter
have
and TikTok and all that stuff, right?
Instagram, We have Facebook, we have TikTok. We try and post a bunch of videos when we have kittens, so.
Christy's been looking at your videos every single day, and every time you send her one, she sends it to me, and she's so excited. It's been a process. She's obviously excited and waited for them to be born. It's our first time seeing them, so we're pretty pumped.
Yeah.
And I think you said Ian was one of your favorites too, huh?
He definitely is the one that stands out of the litter. He's always the first one to get up and crawl over towards you, first one to say hello and everything. So he is a very special boy.
That's awesome. So you have 7 left. If anybody wants to get one, give them a call because they go fast. And if this litter is gone, there is another one coming. So you want to get your name in the hat if you've been thinking about getting a kitty. I can't think of a better place. These are hand raised. This is actually her bedroom. The kitties sleep with her here, so they're super human socialized. Yeah, they unlike some kitties that might not have the luxury of being raised with a family. These are raised by the family here and very much a part of the family. And I know it's sad when you see them go, but
it definitely is. But it's very rewarding to see people excited for their new additions and everything. And we always look forward to the next litter.
And tell me about the 27-pound one, which was your favorite.
Oh boy, so I had a really favorite cat from litter F. I was very sad to see him go. But he's almost a year now and he's 27 pounds.
That's a big kitty.
The biggest cat we've had out of any of our litters.
The average, I think, cat size is about maybe a third less than a Maine Coon. They're definitely a larger breed, and they can be 50% larger than a normal cat. They're just really cool, and that's what Sammy was. So we're looking forward to spending a bunch of time with him. So this guy looks just like his dad.
This is the girl.
The orange ones very much look like their dad.
This is a boy.
Wait, no.
No, that's the first one.
This one was boy.
The girl has a wider face. This is boy.
This is the boy.
He's cute.
Yeah.
He's available too, right?
Mm-hmm. It's very cute.
So we've been on a waiting list for a long time. It's probably been 6 months, right, honey? I think.
Yeah.
How does that work if someone wants to get on? If somebody wants to plan for the future and pick out like a specific color or a boy or girl?
Same thing. Just reach out to us on any of our social medias. Kind of just inquire whether or not you want a male or a female, what color you're looking for, and then we'll add you to our list. And then we reach out once we have kittens available. We do go down if there is a kitten that you don't really want or you want to wait for another litter, then we still keep you on the list and everything.
We have friends all over the world, like even in Australia and Canada and the UK, just everywhere. If someone wants a kitty, can you ship the kitty?
Yeah, we can. Usually there is pet nanny services that can fly your kitten to you, or you can just come to our nearby airport.
And meet you there? Yeah, and just take it. Can it sit on their lap on the way home?
I don't think they can sit on your lap, but they can go under the chair.
Okay.
In a little carrier.
All right.
Yeah.
So you don't have to worry about going down into the hole of a coal plane.
Yeah,
or
no cargo shipping.
No cargo shipping. Yeah.
No.
So that'd be a cool adventure. Hey, you can come visit us at the museum and get yourself a new kitty. How cool would that be? Plan it around a Southwick race day or something, or a hill climb. But little kitty therapy goes a long way.
Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness! I mean, look at that pile of fluff.
I know they're all fighting for the boob.
Oh my God.
They're very quiet now, but when they're young, 2 days, 1 day, 3 days, they making squeaky noises because
very
everyone is hungry.
Yeah.
They're pushing each other.
Gosh, she sure did have a beautiful, colorful batch. Oh my goodness.
Ian's in there somewhere. He's buried under the pile. I think I see his tail sticking out.
In this room, they sleeping under the bed, so I put a heating blanket and I put it on the floor and they love it. I have 3 bedrooms upstairs, one is Michelle, one is I finished that room, but Fanny loves that room and we don't want to put her upstairs there. We have to have a room for Fanny when we have to lock him or other cats, but all rooms in this house is booked.
Everyone has a dressing room.
Yeah.
Even if we have a company. And she can sleep with them all day in here. She doesn't even want to come out. But what's so funny, I notice to them and they coming to her way.
Yeah. She's
She's like, I got Kitten. So she was so good mom, like she was take care of them. When they little, they hide like under the leg. They coming to the like under the tail, and sometimes you like looking for a kittens. But the first litter, I think she sat down on the one and he died. Because you have to really watch.
Look at this guy. Look at him with his head.
Look at Ian.
Nice.
Oh, look at this
orange
one. Oh my gosh.
It's upside down.
So funny to watch them.
So they go out this window right here. They have their own cattery. What do you call it? It's a catio?
Catio.
Outside, pretty cool.
It is really cool.
Maybe you can go outside and do from outside.
It's getting out.
What a great thing.
Here's an upstairs view of the catio. Kitty's got it made here. Their own area outside.
Isn't she
They love it at nighttime when the bugs come. They get to catch them all. Who we have here?
This is Fellini. He's from Ukraine, and he is 22 pounds.
He's a big boy. His
He's
head's
our biggest
huge.
cat that
Look
we
at
have.
those feet.
Got big mittens.
Wow. He's a big boy.
Yes.
He's the dad of the next litter that you have coming?
Yes, with Mila.
He's literally twice the size of our last cat, Sammy. She's
Yeah.
11 pounds, right?
13.
13. That's a big kitty.
He's beautiful. What a gorgeous boy.
Down there, I can show you. He's like very big.
Wow.
Wow, look at him.
Wow, he's long. Really long. He's like 4 feet long.
Yeah.
My God, he's a monster.
Look at those.
He can reach up to the counter, no problem. He's a big boy.
Look at that face. Oh my God. He's very big.
So where is he from originally?
Ukraine.
Wow.
Yeah. There he goes.
He goes.
Lots of hair.
It's like stranger danger.
Hi, boy.
He's out.
There he goes.
He's out.
All right, well, thank you for watching. That was our little mini tour. Next video you'll see will probably be from your baby that you'll get soon.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
2 more weeks, yeah.
Well, thank you so much for showing us all the kitties and letting us
Thank you so
pick
much.
up the one we like the most.
Yeah, we really
Thank
appreciate it.
you.
Thank you so much for everything.
So again, for them to get a kitty from you, what's the website again?
MaineCoonBudsCattery.com.
Okay, I'll put a link in there. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Hi everyone. So I'm really, really excited about our new arrival, and I want to thank the Buds family for being so wonderful and letting us come into their home and view the babies, because that's usually not typically done at such a young age. But they made us feel very welcome, and I am so confident in this breeder and what they're doing. Absolutely wonderful people, and so excited for our new baby. Keep left of the. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.